Hello everyone, today we learn a simple method to calculate sum of mixed numbers. Earlier what we were taught in school, we'll multiply 5 and 4, we'll add 1 and again same pattern, we'll multiply 6 and 3, add 1. This is a long and tedious method and takes lot of time in competitive exam. Later in life I learned another method which was simpler than this, which is you write this number as 5 plus 1 by 4 and next this as 6 plus 1 by 3. So you add numbers and then you add fractions, which will be 11 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. This is smarter than the above procedure, but today I'll give you a more simpler version. So this sum will result in numerator, denominator and an integer here. Our denominator will be multiplication of both the denominator. That means 4 into 3, write it as 12. For numerator, simply multiply this numerator with this denominator and this numerator with this denominator. That means 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Write this as 7. And for the integer part, simply add both the numbers, that means 6 and 5. So if you know the trick, you can get your answer in less than 5 seconds. Let's practice the same method in this question. Denominator will be 8 into 4, 32. Numerator 1 into 4 plus 1 into 8. That is 12. And integer value 6 plus 5, 11. 12 and 32 has common multiples. Simply divide them. This will become 3 and 8. So your final answer will be 11, 3 by 8. Let's wrap this video with this question, which is slightly different. We'll follow the same method, multiply 3 and 4, 12. 2 into 4, 3 into 3. We get 17 and 1 plus 2, that is 3. The problem is in some cases we get numerator larger than denominator. Don't leave it here. Simply subtract numerator and denominator. Write same denominator and this integer value add 1 to it. That makes it 4. This will come 4, 5 by 12. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.